Hi, I'm Justin Keay, Field Specialist in Horticulture with MU Extension, and I'm excited to let you know about our upcoming Tunnel to Table webinar series, MU Extension's Guide to Growing Specialty Crops in Tunnels. This is a 12-part series that'll run from January 20th to April 14th. We're going to cover a lot of great topics, including tunnel construction, irrigation and fertility management, pest and disease control, specialty crop production, economics and enterprise budgets, USDA, NRCS, and FSA resources, as well as a farmer panel. The cost is between $96 and $140 on our sliding fee scale, and limited scholarships are available to Missouri beginning farmers supported by the North Central SARE Sustainable Agriculture Research and Education. This is going to be a really great series. We're going to bring together 5 different universities as well as the USDA Agricultural Research Service and get to hear from the experts about the ins and outs of high tunnel production. In addition, we'll have some great farms on our farmer panel, as well as farms that are experienced with high tunnel construction. As a complement to the Tunnel to Table webinar series, we'll be hosting 6 high tunnel field days in May and June across the state. Click the link in the video description to register and learn more.